Hello everyone. Let's start today's market review for April 30, 2025. This was yesterday's candle and this is today's candle. So let's go to a lower time frame. This is a day time frame to 1 hour time frame. So this is how market looked and my drawings are back here. So this is how market looked. So think market opened opened around here. There was a bit gap which was market traded and then goes downward. Okay, so this was the kind of price action we see before of the New York morning session. We go to 15 minutes, we can see there was a lot of imbalances that market left. This was today's news, and after the news market slammed lower. Okay, and let's see. Yep, this was basically the charts we have. Let's go to 1 hour again. Let's see, I wanna show you this 1 hour BC. Why it is high probability? Because it has a breaker. So there are two PD arrays here. Market surely can go lower than this because there is a liquidity here as well, and there is this area as well where market did not traded yet. But yeah, this was a high probability BC in 1 hour. Okay, I'll just adjust it a bit. Okay, yep. Okay, so now if we go to 15, okay, so we can make note of these highs. These are Asia highs. If you want, you can, yeah, annotate here as an Asia high. Just write AH. And this one, these ones were our imbalances. All of this, these ones are previous daily low, which has already market has been traded through. And there was this idea as well, market may go up, hit these previous day low and continues lower. Okay, the other idea was market may trade in this early BC and go upward. This was my pre-market ideas basically. Okay, and if we go in 1 minute chart, let's see what was happening here. So this was market uh, traded through this CB 1 minute CB and was going upward at 9:29. Okay, okay, so let's just review what happened in 1 minute chart today. I'm gonna close this replay button from here. Okay, so yep, this was today's day, and this is what happened. Market traded into a breaker and early BC and went higher up. It's too much higher up because of this is where I think we got a news today that Trump is gonna negotiate with the Chinese about the tariffs or something like that. Yeah. So if you look here at 9:30, we have this fair value gap, the CB. Actually, I don't know why it has been marked as an inversion, but this was the CB. Okay, so what market created did not take any liquidity, actually created equal highs, which was definitely marked after this move. Okay, so market went into this CB, repriced it. If you can see, the bodies are closing in this CB, and yep, the price is slammed lower and lower again. So there was this news as well today at 10 a.m. if you want to see here. So this was our news is for today. GDP around 8:30, and then Around 10 a.m. we have core PC data. This is high impact news. Okay, so what market did at exactly at 10 a.m.? What market did? Market took these stocks here. Market repriced this CB, which we can mark as inversion, and then there was this bullish fair value gap as well. We can mark this bullish fair value gap uh, as an BPR basically, because market traded lower than higher again, and there was no other candle bodies, so this is basically BPR here. Yeah, okay, so this was a high probability trade. Why? Because if you can see, according to ZC, there are 90 minutes market cycles that run from 8:30 to 10. So what market did? Market took the low of that cycle. Market did traded in the breaker in early BC, created this structure, gave us a framework to get the entry. Okay, I did get entry here, but I closed this trade break even. There was a macro as well, so this was definitely an A plus setup for today. And if we take an entry from here, uh, stop at lows, and our first target will be equal highs, of course, liquidity. It could be a 28.84 trade. Yep. Okay, then the next idea was for me to go short after taking this equal highs. I wasn't expecting market to go this high, to be honest, today. So I uh, here is the market structure shift, you can say, and this is where I took entry, which I closed around here, I guess somewhere here, and took a reversal trade instead, because I think this was just a stop hunt. Okay, yep. And why I was taking a short here? Because of this 15 minute. If you see in 15 minute, see, after the equal highs, market left this busy 15 minute fair value gap. um, I was thinking that market may want to reprice this and then go higher or maybe even lower. So that is why I was trying to take short here, which failed. So I took the reversal immediately, and I was riding the trend. I think the reversal was around here. My stop was here. So yep, my first target was 1 is to 1. Then I put my stop loss under this swing. Market took stops here and went again higher, so I could have hold it down up until here. Okay, and it would be a 2 is to 0.2 2 hour trade. Okay, why I could have hold it up until here. Okay, so this is 8:30 open, this is 8:30 high, this is the cycle high. I was expecting market to go here because this is New York AM high basically. Or market can, or what market instead did, it only traded to the open of that cycle only. Okay, so then what, after that what market did? Okay, let me mark this out again. This is 8:30 high, the cycle high. The cycle runs from here to here also. Yep, the one more thing that confirms this trade is valid, there was a bullish SMT over here. This low did not create, was not created in ES. Yep, so this is the only low created in the NQ only. Okay, so okay, this was my idea where market wanna go. There was a small, okay, yeah. So market did that here around 1:30. Okay, and then this is where market uh, market basically started going higher. This is around the time where news happened, and yep, you can see the result basically. So if I could have taken this trade here, like if, for example, this could be my trade. Yep. So this would be my inversion here. When market closed here, I could have taken an entry over here, in this CB, and I my target would be around here, I guess. Yeah, 50% of this range. Yeah. Yep. Yep. And there was one more reason why my trade this one of my trade failed. Okay, let me show you. It's the easier thing. Okay, so if we mark this chart for today, see, I took this trade. I shorted the market in discount. So this is supposed to happen when you short trades in the in the discount. Yeah. So this was today's market view about all the price action. And yeah, let's see what market gives us tomorrow, because there is going to be high impact news around 10, and then there is NFP, non-farm payrolls day as well. Let's see what happens on Friday. Yep. So that will be all. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna make this daily, okay, for you. I hope this is gonna help someone, a new trader maybe. Yep. Bye bye. Goodbye. See you.